Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Estufa Cleaner is probably one of the most important cleaning products in your kitchen, making the often dreaded task of cleaning your stovetop significantly easier and more efficient. In this video, we will explore what makes a great stovetop cleaner, examining various factors such as its cleaning power, ease of use, safety for different stovetop materials, and its overall value for money, helping you choose the perfect product to keep your kitchen sparkling. Number 5. Easy Off Kitchen Degreaser. Say goodbye to tough kitchen grease and grime. This powerful degreaser makes cleaning a breeze, leaving your kitchen sparkling. It's formulated to penetrate and dissolve even the most stubborn grease and grime in seconds. Experience a sparkling clean in no time. Use it on your stovetop, backsplash, countertops, cabinets, oven, sink, and even your microwave. It's the ultimate all-in-one kitchen cleaner. Simply spray it on, wipe, and rinse. It's that easy to achieve a spotless kitchen. It's NSF certified, so you can trust that it's safe for everyday use on your kitchen surfaces. Plus, it leaves behind a fresh lemon scent. With its powerful cleaning action and fresh scent, it makes cleaning your kitchen a quick and pleasant experience. Enjoy a sparkling clean kitchen. What we like. If you need a quick and easy way to clean your stovetop, this is the product for you. Its powerful formula cuts through grease and grime in seconds, leaving behind a fresh lemon scent. If you value convenience and a pleasant smell, you should consider this option. What people say. It cleaned the microwave and other greasy objects quickly with absolutely no elbow grease needed. After I used it, the microwave doesn't catch the splatter like it used to. Effective for mild-moderate cleanup but doesn't remove heavy stains. Sprays well and doesn't leak. One bottle lasts a long time. Removes stubborn kitchen grease that others couldn't. Odor is acceptable. It has a mild lemony scent. It disappears quickly and there is no reactions as from other cleaner scents. Number 4. Therapy Glass Cooktop Cleaner Bundle. This amazing bundle includes a powerful cleaner and a microfiber cloth, making cleaning your cooktop easier than ever before. Get ready for a sparkling clean stove top. It's specially formulated to tackle even the most stubborn burnt-on stains. Say goodbye to those unsightly marks. This cleaner quickly dissolves grease and grime, saving you valuable time and effort. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. The acid-free formula ensures a scratch-free clean, leaving your cooktop with a brilliant shine. It's gentle yet effective. Simply wipe away excess cleaner with a dry cloth and buff for a streak-free shine. No rinsing needed. Proudly crafted in the USA, it's made with your family's safety as our top priority. Enjoy peace of mind while achieving a spotless cooktop. What we like. For those stubborn burnt-on stains that just won't budge, this cleaner is your best bet. Its powerful yet gentle formula quickly dissolves grease and grime without scratching your cooktop. If you're looking for a streak-free shine and want to protect your stovetop surface, this is the one for you. Number 3. Hope's Cooktop Cleaning Cream. Say goodbye to stubborn burnt-on stains on your glass ceramic cooktop. It's the fast and easy way to a sparkling clean stove. This powerful cream gently loosens even the most stubborn stains. It's the perfect solution for your kitchen cleaning needs. It deeply penetrates to quickly dissolve grease and grime, saving you time and effort. Less scrubbing, more shining. With its unique, acid-free formula, it won't scratch your stovetop. It leaves a beautiful, polished shine. Simply wipe it away with a dry towel and buff to a brilliant shine. No rinsing needed, it's that easy. Get your Hope's Cooktop Cleaning Cream today and experience the difference. It's the perfect way to keep your stovetop looking its best. What we like. This cream cleaner is perfect for a quick and easy cleanup. It tackles burnt-on stains effectively and doesn't require rinsing, saving you time and effort. If you value efficiency and a sparkling shine without the hassle of rinsing, you should choose this product. Number 2. Zep Citrus Degreaser. This powerful cleaner tackles even the toughest grease and grime. It's perfect for kitchens, but also great for various other surfaces. Its heavy-duty citrus solvents easily cut through oil, grease, and grime. Say goodbye to stubborn kitchen messes. It's suitable for appliances, grills, stovetops, and more. Use it on a variety of surfaces, from stainless steel to fiberglass. For oven and grill interiors, consider Zep's heavy-duty oven and grill cleaner for superior results. It's designed to tackle baked-on grime. Professionals have trusted Zep for quality cleaning products since 1937. It simplifies tough cleaning jobs, making them efficient and easy. Experience the power and versatility of this degreaser. It's the solution for all your tough cleaning needs. What we like? For truly heavy-duty cleaning, this degreaser is unmatched. It tackles tough grease and grime on various surfaces, making it perfect for both home and professional use. If you need a powerful cleaner for tough messes, this is the right choice for you. What people say. It cuts through all grease, grime, nicotine with just a spray and wipe, no scrubbing required. The product is great, it removes residue immediately. Awesome product. Cuts through tough baked-on dirt on stovetop. Number 1. Stardrops Pink Stuff Paste. It tackles tough stains and grime with ease. This multi-purpose solution delivers sparkling results on almost any surface. It's perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. Use it on tiles, glass, stainless steel. It's great for almost any household mess. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your surfaces. It removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging them. Just apply a small amount to a damp cloth, rub gently, and rinse. It's ideal for everyday cleaning. You'll enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. It leaves your home spotless and smelling great. See the amazing results for yourself. It leaves everything sparkling and shiny. What we like? This paste is a miracle worker for various surfaces. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your stovetop, leaving it spotless and shiny. If you are looking for a multi-purpose cleaner that's effective yet gentle, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a clay-like consistency, and foams up when water is used during scrubbing. It has a pretty pink color, and for the most part has no smell. This cleaner really lives up to the hype. It works absolute miracles on tough messes. I've used it on everything from kitchen grease and stovetop buildup to scuff marks on walls and grime in the bathroom, and it cuts through dirt effortlessly every time. The results are consistently impressive, often with minimal scrubbing required. Works like magic. My sink, stove, and bathroom surfaces all look cleaner than they have in years. No harsh smell. Unlike other strong cleaners, this doesn't have that overpowering chemical scent. A little goes a long way. I barely used any, and it still got the job done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.